Performance requirements. So performance requirements focus on performance issues such as response, time, capacity, and reliable. So number one, speed requirements. So speed requirements, ito yung gaano kabilis dapat gumana yung system. Halimbawa, the system must load each page within 3 seconds. So meron din tayong capacity requirements. So dito, ilan ang users na sabay-sabay pwedeng gumamit ng system? Halimbawa, the system must support up to 500 users at the same time. So, meron tayong number 3, availability and requirements. Ito naman kung gaano kadaling ma-access at ka-reliable ang system. Halimbawa, the system must be available 99.9% of the time. So, 24/7. So, here are the more information about my topics. That's all for my report. Thank you. And the next will be Azhari Kaharundin.